A brand new leak has just blown the doors wide open on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, revealing its complete 360-degree design in stunning clarity. Trusted insider Evan Blass is back, this time sharing a clean, watermark-free 360-degree video that shows the S26 Ultra exactly as Samsung plans to ship it. No edits, no filters. This is the final form, revealed weeks before unpacked. At first glance, the Galaxy S26 Ultra looks familiar, but look closer and the refinement becomes impossible to ignore. The corners are now slightly more rounded compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, giving the phone a smoother, more comfortable, and noticeably more premium feel in the hand. Samsung didn't reinvent the Ultra design, they perfected it. The bezels are thinner as well, pushing the display closer to the edges and making the front feel more immersive than ever. Flip the phone over, and the camera setup immediately steals the spotlight. The S26 Ultra features a bold camera island with 3 primary cameras, while 2 additional rings sit beside the main bump. These house a time-of-flight sensor and an extra telephoto lens. Inside the main cluster, you'll find an ultra-wide camera, a massive primary sensor, and a periscope zoom lens designed for serious long-range photography. Longtime Samsung fans will also spot a welcome change right away. The controversial Saturn-style camera rings are gone. In their place, Samsung has brought back clean, metallic lens rings, directly responding to feedback after the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's a small design tweak, but it makes the back of the phone look far more refined and truly flagship grade.
The Galaxy S26 Ultra looks familiar. It feels familiar. But don't let that fool you, because under the surface, Samsung might have just pulled off its smartest glow-up yet, especially after the S25 Ultra played it safe. For months, people have been asking the same question. Is Samsung finally stepping up again? Short answer? Yes. And no, this isn't hype. These are calculated upgrades that actually matter in real, everyday use. Here's why the Galaxy S26 Ultra might be the upgrade worth waiting for. Let's start with the design. At first glance, it's unmistakably Samsung. But look closer and everything changes. The sharp, boxy edges are gone, replaced with smoother, rounded corners that feel noticeably better in the hand. Whether you're scrolling for hours, gaming, or taking notes with the S Pen, this phone is built for comfort, not just looks. It's also thinner, down to just 7.9 millimeters, without sacrificing the full S Pen experience. The trade-off? A more pronounced camera step. But it's not random. The pill-shaped vertical layout, similar to Samsung's foldables, improves lens alignment and reduces wobble on flat surfaces. Not flashy, just smart engineering. Flip it to the front, and the bezels are ridiculous. Samsung's thinnest ever. The selfie cutout is slightly larger, but there's a reason. Wider selfies, better framing, and cleaner video calls, especially in group shots. This isn't a redesign made for likes, it's made for all-day use. Now the display, because this is still Samsung's territory. You're getting the latest LTPO OLED, brighter peaks, better efficiency, and tougher protection with the new Gorilla Armor generation. But the real surprise? A next-gen AI-powered privacy display. Instead of dimming the entire screen, it intelligently hides only sensitive areas, notifications, passwords, banking apps, using pixel-level light control. No privacy screen, no compromises. Picture yourself replying with the S Pen on a train, knowing nobody around you can peek. It's subtle, clever, and one of those features you won't appreciate until you use it. Battery time. This is where expectations shift. Yes, it's still 5,000 milliamps, no increase. On paper, that sounds disappointing, but Samsung is betting hard on efficiency. A thinner body, smarter power management, and a monster chipset mean real-world endurance, especially when you're pushing the phone hard all day and still ending the night with battery left. Charging finally sees progress, up to 60 watts now, hitting around 75% in just 30 minutes. Not class-leading, but a massive improvement. On busy days, you'll feel the difference. Performance? Aggressive. The Galaxy S26 Ultra gets the exclusive Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, tuned specifically for Galaxy. No regional compromises, no thermal throttling after 15 minutes of gaming or 8K video editing. Paired with generous RAM and storage, this phone is built to last for years, not just one upgrade cycle. Connectivity stays practical and polished. Smoother 5G, next-gen Wi-Fi, rock-solid Bluetooth, reverse wireless charging still intact, even with internal magnets ready for Key 2 accessories. Now the cameras, the soul of the Ultra. The setup looks familiar, a 200-megapixel main sensor, but the upgrades hit where it actually counts. The main camera jumps to an f1.4 aperture, pulling in way more light for better low-light photos and cleaner video. The 5x periscope gets a wider aperture. Samsung is clearly chasing video this year. Expect stronger stabilization, cleaner night footage, advanced codecs, and less lens flare thanks to new lens coatings. The goal? Match or beat Apple in pro-level recording while dominating long-range zoom. Add a wider selfie sensor and smarter AI processing, and this is all about reliability over gimmicks, exactly what creators want. Software seals the deal. Out of the box, Android 16 with One UI 8.5. 7 years of updates locked in. And Galaxy AI? The best features are now ultra exclusive. This isn't equal treatment anymore. It's premium differentiation. Official details land February 25th, 2026, with availability expected in early March. Pricing stays steady, and in some markets, leaks even hint at a slight drop. Not cheap, but clearly focused. The Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't reinventing the wheel. It's sharpening it. Smarter ergonomics, serious video power, real solutions like on-the-go privacy, built for creators, multitaskers, and power users who actually push their phones. So the question is, does this level of refinement finally convince you to upgrade from the S25 Ultra? Or are you holding out for something even bigger? Drop your thoughts below, and if you want the full hands-on breakdown at launch, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned.